Let's talk about a secret superpower that's already built right into your Windows PC. Seriously, it's one you've probably walked past 100 times. It's a tool that can completely change how you share what's on your screen. So today, we're going to finally master the snipping tool. We've all been there, right? You're trying to describe some weird error message over the phone, or you're trying to explain a bunch of steps in an email. It's frustrating. But what if you could solve that entire problem in like 2 seconds? Well, that's exactly what this tool was born to do. But before we jump into the how-to, we've got to take a quick detour. Because this simple little utility, it has a surprisingly twisted history. It really wasn't always the slick, all-in-one tool we have in front of us today. I mean, the journey this tool has been on is actually pretty fascinating. It started way back in 2002 as this little niche clipping tool that was only for tablet PCs. Then for a few years, Microsoft kind of confused everyone by trying to replace it with a whole new app called Snip Sketch. Finally, with Windows 11, they brought it all back together, unifying everything under the original name, but packing it with modern features, including, screen recording. It's been quite a ride. All right, history lesson over. Let's get practical. Let's look at the core functions that are going to make your life easier, starting, right now. Here is your first real pro tip. Forget hunting for this app in the Start menu. Power users live and die by these shortcuts. Windows key plus Shift plus S. That's your new best friend for grabbing a picture of anything. Need a quick video? Just swap that S for an R. I'm telling you, committing these to memory is an absolute game changer. The second you hit that shortcut, you get this powerful little menu at the top of your screen. Rectangle mode is gonna be your daily workhorse, for sure. Window mode, perfect for grabbing a clean shot of just one app without all the background clutter. And freeform mode, well, that's your creative outlet for tracing around any object you need. But here's the thing, capturing the image is really just the first step. The real magic happens after you snip, where this whole suite of hidden tools unlocks even more power. Let's see what they can do. Yep, that's right. The snipping tool is also a surprisingly good screen recorder. You can forget about installing some bulky extra software. You just click the little camcorder icon, drag a box around what you want to record, and hit start. It is perfect for making a quick tutorial for a coworker or showing a tech support agent exactly what's going wrong on your screen. Okay, you have to see this next one. This feature, it's called Text Actions, and it feels like pure magic. You know those super annoying error messages where you can't actually select and copy the text? Just snip a picture of it, click the Text Actions button, and boom! The tool instantly recognizes and lets you copy every single word. No more manually typing out long, cryptic error codes. The built-in editor is also way more powerful than you'd think. You can draw on your snips, highlight key info, and, this one's a huge time saver, quickly black out sensitive information like an email address before you share it. And for your video clips, it even has a direct link to Clipchamp, so you can easily add things like audio or captions. Now, let's peek into what's next. If you're planning on getting one of those new AI-powered Copilot PCs, the snipping tool is about to get some seriously cool AI upgrades. So first up is something called Perfect Screenshot. Imagine never having to carefully draw a box around a window again. The AI just does it for you. It intelligently detects the main thing you're trying to capture and snaps the selection perfectly to its edges. It basically eliminates all that tedious cropping and cleaning up afterward. And for any of you designers or developers out there, this is a fantastic addition. The new color picker lets you just point at anything on your screen, an icon, a photo, a button on a website, and instantly grab its exact color code. No more guessing, no more third-party tools, it's just right there. So we've covered a lot, from its weird history all the way to its AI future. But if you remember just one more thing from this explainer, please make it this next pro move. It's going to solve one of the most common screenshot frustrations out there. So what does the number 5 have to do with taking a screenshot? I know it seems totally random, but it is the key to capturing those tricky things that disappear the moment you try to click away, like a drop-down menu. The answer is the delay timer. This is your secret weapon for capturing those impossible moments. You just open the snipping tool, set a delay for, say, 5 seconds, and hit New. That countdown gives you just enough time to open that tricky menu or make a little pop-up appear. When the timer hits 0, the screen freezes, letting you grab the perfect shot. This one tip is an absolute game changer. The snipping tool really proves that sometimes the most powerful tools are the ones we already have, just waiting for us to actually explore them. So it kind of leaves you with a question, right? What other hidden gems are sitting right there on your own machine, just waiting to make your life a little bit easier?